Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to the channel. So friends, this video is very important because this video is related to HCL direct off campus hiring for the 23, 22 and 21 batch. This is a part 4th video and this is our series video that is related to the queries. Okay, because candidates ask me like we already applied for the HCL and how we can apply for HCL as of now. So if you already applied, so your previous application is on the portal, so how to reapply for this opportunity? Is there application withdrawn process? What about criteria and different process? In this video I will give you all the details. Okay, so you will you will understand what about the process, like you will understand the complete process that is related to HCL. So this is all the HCL video, and in the video there are so many points I already mentioned that, and candidate ask that yes I applied previously for HCL but in the dashboard the application action is completed, there is no chance for fresh application. Okay, so one of the most important point, first of all I have to show one proof. I raised one query that is related to this hiring, like I applied for this hiring last year and not cleared exam. Okay, so I add the two condition in that. Can I apply with another email ID and mobile number? My application is considered or not? So basically this query is status is open. There is no there is no answer for the query from the HCL team as of now. But one of the most important point that HCL team already mentioned that, like suppose if you applied for this opportunity at a single time, if you applied previously, so your application number is created and the application is completed, there is no withdrawn option is there, that if we click on withdraw option and there is a withdrawn process. So one of the most important point that there is no reapply chance. I know this is a bad news. Okay, this is not a good news, but I talked to so many candidates and some of the friends are working in HCL, like working at HCL. So basically they mentioned that on the freshers HCL Tech website, okay, application is created only one time. Okay, there is no chance to recreate the application. And one of the most important point, they have your Aadhaar card details, they have your 10th roll number, they have your all other details. So if you use the another email ID and mobile number, and in the case of Aadhaar and 10th roll number, so it will show as a duplicate number. So means, what do you mean by duplicate number? Duplicate number means you have already, they have already your data in their database. Okay, so one of the most important point that I have to mention, I mentioned in video that candidates are receiving the exam mail. Okay, so if your application is considered by HCL team, so definitely you will got the exam mail. If you are from BE BTech courses, so most probably this criteria is follow, like 70% throughout criteria, 10th 12th diploma, undergraduate and postgraduate. Okay, so basically postgraduate candidate criteria is 65%, but in the case of undergraduate means the BE BTech 70% is the criteria. So this is one of the most important point that I have to mention, that I know this is not this is not a good news, this is a bad news that we have no chance to reapply. But if you already apply, don't no need to apply again, because if you fulfill the criteria that is followed by HCL team, surely you will get the examination link. Application withdraw process is not there. Okay, and one of the most important point, as you can see on my screen, that if we applied for HCL technology, so this type of message is shown: thank you for applying for HCL technology. HCL follow a strict selection process. Each application received is evaluated for multiple parameters like academic track record, year of passing, affinity to HCL location, performance in online test and interview. Our eligibility and selection criteria is defined by need of our business verticals. Candidate who meet our eligibility criteria only will contact for next step of the application process. So the point is clear. If your application is followed all the criteria, all the parameters that is set by HCL team, definitely you will receive the test mail that is related to HCL. Okay, so if you are new candidate and you recently applied and all the criteria you followed, so there is a chance that HCL team will send you the exam mail. Okay, but there is a bad news, like you can't reapply for this opportunity. But I have a suggestion for all of you friends. I am with you. So basically I will share all the different opportunities on our channel, so must apply for this opportunity. I hope this video will helpful for everyone. Thanks for watching the video.